I'm going to show you how to do some resets on the Creative SXFI Air Headphones. So first up is the resetting the Bluetooth. You do that by pressing on the Bluetooth button for 8 seconds. So let's do that. You will see it blink red, and if you are listening to the earphone, you will say that Bluetooth is reset. Next, we'll show you how to reset to factory defaults. You can do that by pressing the Bluetooth button as well as the power button at the same time. So let's press the power button and the Bluetooth together at the same time for 5 seconds. Again, you will see that it blinks red and then goes back to blue, and then the unit will power off. If you're listening to the headphone, it will say that it is restored to factory default. So let's turn on the headphone. And if you need to do a headphone reset, you just need to press the SXFI button and the Bluetooth button at the same time, and it will power down. Do that if ever your headphones get hanged. So these are the resets that you can do on the Creative SXFI Air Headphones.